All right, so there's the order. 7/16 16K, 48-inch solid sides, 36-inch open-sided clamshells with storage underneath, 19-foot reach loader, CXRF 50 heavy duty. It's our bunk trailer, and a 7/16, or I'm sorry, 7/14 14K. I got to finish my cup of coffee, so we'll let the trucker sweep here for a few more minutes. We'll go fire up some machinery for unloading these trailers off of here. So when I mentioned the outdoor loading dock, it really doesn't have to be anything crazy. We literally just have some blocks that are buried in the ground. We're in Northeast PA, so we have a lot of hills and mountainsides. So we just kind of dug out a little level spot, dropped in some blocks, and then we backed the trailer in, and it's just as simple as that. So some snow yesterday, had to plow all of this out of the way so I could get into my dock. We do keep some boards handy for either putting underneath the semi-trailer, tires to bring it up to the dock height, or we'll bridge the gap from the concrete blocks down to the trailer. Probably the easiest way to get the trailers off of the semi is like a skid steer with the hitch plate. Doesn't have to be anything elaborate, just something to pick up the end of the hitch. Gives you enough wiggle room. Sometimes you got to lift them up, sometimes you got to set them down low to get them off. But that's the outdoor loading dock, and just how we're gonna do it. So as you can tell, we had to get a little creative with the jacks underneath the front to get the hitches up high enough to stack everything in. man enough to say that this last one scares me. I don't know if I should pick it up or just try to drive it right off that top deck. So we're gonna go with the plan B. We're gonna drive it off the top deck. Hopefully it works out. If not, it'll be on film. So we'll see what happens. That had the old heart pumping on that one, but got her done. We'll get them all lined up, do a quick walk around on them, then get them moved to the woodlot. All right, well, let's get these moved back to the woodlot before they get all covered up with snow and debris. The roads were dry when I got here, but I want to get them home before all this moisture hits the road and they look like they're white from all the salt. So get hooked up and turn and burn. All right, well, we got the CaMex trailers back here at the woodlot. So if we can ever earn your business with the sales quote, just remember all of our videos here are a non-paid promotion. So this is our marketing tool to reach you, the customer. Give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And yes, we do finance these awesome trailers. They're over on the website, or the application is over on the website, shaverequipment.com. It's a one-page application for ACG equipment finance. And just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.